Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by mapping reality. Write every exam date and its weight, then rank topics by impact on your grade. Once done, assess what you already know versus gaps. This gives priorities. Next, create the first study blocks, 50 to 90-minute sessions, on your calendar and assign a topic to each. Make sure to schedule them when your energy is highest. This immediate action converts planning into time, so you stop procrastinating and start producing measurable progress. Now you assemble the working schedule, allocate sessions by topic importance and difficulty, and include active practice like problems or past papers. Once scheduled, insert spaced reviews, 1 day, 3 days, 1 week, to move facts to long-term memory. Make sure to mix focused study with varied practice to build retrieval strength. Also reserve buffer sessions for catching up or deep dives. This structured middle phase keeps momentum and adapts to your pacing, preventing last-minute. In the final stage, you consolidate and validate. You run full-time simulations under exam conditions 1 to 2 weeks out, then review mistakes to build targeted mini-sessions. Once you identify persistent weak spots, replace low-impact study with high-yield practice. If you fall behind, do this troubleshooting tip. Cut new learning in half and double review and practice sessions to stabilize retention. Finally, rest and taper intensity the day before. A calm mind recalls better than a frantic one.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.